Tutorial on making a simple transaction receipt.
First, open SPCKey editor, and then we use transaction receipt.html. So we're gonna use HTML languages. So we're gonna rename it transaction receipt.html. So never mind. I guess yan. Tapos dito na tayo sa code. doctype.html, head, meta chart, UTF-8, meta name, view for content, font family, container, tas yan, CSS, title, receipt, total, input field, tas dito na tayo sa style, head, div class, container, div class, button, generate receipt, strong transaction ID, yan, tas strong function, document, element, display price, display payment, display total, and that's it, and we're done. So here's the outcome. Shop transaction receipt, customer name Albert, item purchase Colgate, tapos sa price kung ilan 18, sa payment method kahit sa tulad yan magpili ka lang, yun generate receipt, and that's it, that's the outcome. Okay, subscribe